Hello guys, it's Chef Lee today. So today on our menu, we're gonna be having pork spare ribs sinigang. Here on our table right now, we have our ingredients that we're gonna be using later on the video. First, we're gonna be having long beans. Here we have some eggplant. We have some green chili. We have some okra over here, okra. We have 4 medium-sized tomato. We have a big-sized onion. We have a small piece of ginger. We have some lettuce over here. Lettuce. Here we have some spare ribs, and then here we're gonna be using later. It's sinigang mix, and we're gonna have some salt also later. Those are our ingredients that we're gonna be using for pork. Okay guys, so by the way, we already started boiling the pork spare ribs, as you can see over here. Okay guys, it's time to put all of the ingredients inside with the spare rib pork. We're gonna put it all like that. Same goes with the onion and ginger. Oh, and guys, by the way, we're gonna be putting some rice water inside. I do want to bring myself. You can see my first one. Oh, there's still more water, bro.